Welcome to this tutorial where we run through the key features of the NutriHealth database on the Ovid search platform. To search on NutriHealth, the Ovid platform provides 6 search options, providing users with great flexibility for their searching. Today, we will quickly look at 2 search modes, the basic search and the advanced search mode. The basic search is our quick discovery search mode and accepts phrases or questions in English. For example, here we have introduced the safety of vitamin D2 mushroom powder as a novel food. Include related terms is selected and click on search to run your search in the chosen database. The basic search automatically ranks results by star classification. Those results with 5 stars are the most relevant records and are shown first. When required, users can go to the limit section to refine the number of results further. Additional limits to see all the limits for your chosen database. In our example, we have limited specifically to 5-star records only. Consult the Ovid search history to view all the steps taken during your searches. Scroll down to view your Ovid results and begin browsing the titles. Open also the abstract, and when available, we can also view the full text of the article. The advanced search is a very different search. It provides users with increased search precision with the help of subject headings and free text terms. To find these terms, we recommend users first undertake a quick basic search. From the complete reference of each citation, users can take note of the subject headings indexed by the database editor. Also, users can take note of the free text terms or keywords used in the title, as well as the abstract. These terms are created by the author. In our example, the selected terms have been entered as 2 separate searches. Set 3 focuses on the topic of the mushroom powder, and in set 4, we focus on the topic of food safety. In the advanced search, we use Boolean operators to combine the search terms. Truncation, proximity, and wildcards can also be applied to your terms. In this advanced example, our terms automatically search the title, abstract, and the subject heading fields of citations in the NutriHealth database. When ready, combine the advanced sets with the AND operator. Users can apply limits if required, and when ready, scroll down to view your advanced results. To manage your Ovid results, first select your citations, and then at the top, choose the option for print, email, and export. Users can also save citations within Ovid's own integrated citation manager via the My Projects button. My Projects requires users to create their own free Ovid profile. Scroll down to create your account or sign in. Here we can now view existing projects or indeed create a new project as shown on the screen and add your citations to that project. Projects are included within My Workspace. At the same time, you will notice your name appears on the top right. You're now within your personal account. Another benefit of creating an Ovid user profile is that researchers will also be able to save their searches permanently within Ovid, as well as being able to create auto alerts to receive updates automatically to your inbox or project folder. Ovid is also used around the world by many collaborating research institutions, so remember to share your NutriHealth search strategy with your internal and external research colleagues using the Share Search History feature. Visit the Ovid Help Guide at the top of the page for more detailed information on the Ovid search modes and specific functionality available. Also, the Support and Training tab provides a wide selection of training tutorials. Remember to request your free trial of NutriHealth by contacting the IFIS support team.